welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I did like a little cut crease, glitter at the end, wing liner, cute little lashes using two new palettes I just purchased and I absolutely love them. And this is also my go-to makeup routine, skin makeup routine that I've been doing and I absolutely love because it literally lasts me a whole day and more. Like 10 hours, best thing. Longwear, love it. See this shit? It's gonna look the same by the time I get home from work. Okay, y'all? Now let's go ahead and start this tutorial. As you guys can tell, I already did my brows and now I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes with the Plouise base. This one is the OG one. Using my IT Cosmetic brush, I am just patting all of this product throughout my whole lid. I don't know what kind of brush this is necessarily. It's just a flat brush. I think it's a concealer brush. Not too sure, but I'm just gonna blend this product all over my lid. And then I am gonna pat. Pat. That's how she says it. If you guys follow Plouise on their social media, Instagram, Snapchat, and that's it. With a clean brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend all the outer edges to make sure everything is nice and seamless. Using the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place, I absolutely love all these palettes, honestly. I can't get enough of them. They are absolutely gorgeous. Using my Morphe E23 brush, I'm gonna grab Nana, which is like a little nice tan brown color, and I am just gonna pat that all over the top of my lid, grabbing some more product just to intensify the color, and I grabbed some more color and I'm going in circular motions, just giving it a good blend. So I'm pretty much going from corner, going up like a rainbow, and then to corner like a rainbow, corner to corner, corner up, corner. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep building this until I get the color that I desire. Cleaning my brush, I'm just gonna use this little pan I got at Ulta. Grabbing, I don't even know how to say these names to be honest, but I'm gonna grab this burnt orange and this bright red. Bam, bam, tap out the excess. And I'm pretty much gonna blend that on top of Nana, which was the brown shade that we just had. Mixing both, tapping out the excess and adding a little bit more just to get a nice burnt orange reddish color. Okay, I really love these palettes, but I just feel like there's a lot of fallout within the palette. That's why I barely tap a little bit and then apply it onto my lid. That way I personally don't get any fallout, which doesn't matter anyways because I have no makeup on my skin. But if I did, that would be no bueno. I do want to darken my crease just a little bit. I'm going to be using the Sahara palette by Juvia's Place, and I am going to be using Sokoto and Jamila. Like Camilla, that's me. So I am using the Morphe. This one does not have a name, but it is a pointed crease brush. And I am just going to grab the product with the tip of the brush. Tap out the excess, because did you see that? That was a lot. And I am just going to blend this within the crease. Actually a little above the crease because I am cutting the crease. Grabbing a little bit more product, tap out the excess, and just applying that on top of my crease as I mentioned. Just to give it some warmth, honey. Okay, see how now it's getting a little harsh? I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm going to go ahead and clean my brush, my E23 brush. And I'm just gonna blend those shades together. There's no extra product onto this brush. I just cleaned it and I'm just blending the shades together. I'm gonna go ahead and do it again with Sokoto and Jamila and hitting that above my crease. And then again with my E23 brush, just blending the top shades together. I don't really care too much about this because I'm going to clean it up with concealer, so if you get that, which always happens to me, it's totally okay. Time to cut the crease, and I'm going to go back with my IT Cosmetics flat brush and the Rumor by Plouise, applying the product onto my brush. And now I am just going to start cutting the crease. I like to go fairly slow because that's just how I do it. No reason behind it, that's just how I do it. I feel like the more product you have on your lid, the easier it is to do the crease. Because sometimes if there's not enough product and it's dry, I feel like when you attempt to cut the crease, it like skips on your skin and then you can actually fuck up your eye makeup like that. Because it happened to me a lot of times in the beginning. A lot of trial and error. And then I'm gonna pat it. I'm gonna pat, 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 pat like Plouise says. Ooh, ooh, what was that? Ooh, whoa, whoa. Going in with a packing brush by Vintage, I'm gonna go with Kessie. This is like a skin tone color, and I'm just gonna pack that all over my crease. And that way rumor, aka the concealer, doesn't, or base, doesn't transfer over to the rest of my damn lid. Using my Morphe M513 brush, I'm gonna go ahead and use these two colors that I could absolutely not pronounce in the Magic Mini Palette. And I am just going to blend Rumor and this shade together. That way it looks like kind of like a little ombre effect going on. Not really. Now it's time to create a wing glitter. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I'm gonna start off, oh, that's my son. I'm gonna start off at the end, just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start in the middle and connect these 2 points together. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and just fill in the center and middle part. Now I'm just filling in the rest of my wing. I want to add some glitter in this little area right here where the tan and the red kind of meet. Using CrystalEyes, I believe this is in Cotton Candy, and my Lit Cosmetics glitter. I rave about this glitter glue. This is the only glitter glue I ever use. Dipping my Morphe M250 brush. It's literally M250/0 brush, whatever. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the glitter glue. Popping cotton candy open, just grabbing a little, tapping out the excess because I don't want fallout, but if I do get fallout, it's okay because I have no foundation on. And I am just gonna apply that right there, moving quite slowly, only because I feel like if you're just in a rush, the glitter is just gonna get everywhere. I'm kind of going over the white in the middle and just a little bit on the red. Just want to give it a little glittery effect because I absolutely love glitter. Okay, now it's time for face. I usually do my eyelashes later just because that's just the way I do it, or sometimes I don't, just depends how I feel, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lashes later. I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, and I absolutely love this thing, honestly. I already moisturized my face using the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This face makeup routine that I'm about to show you guys right now is absolutely gorgeous, and not only that, it's super long lasting. The foundation that I'm using is a Nars Radient Longwear foundation, literally longwear, I kid you not. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this onto my Luxie 516 brush. Is it 516? Yes, 516 brush. And I'm just gonna apply that onto my skin, dragging it down my neck and making sure you guys get the jaw. Don't forget to get underneath your jaw because Jesus Christ, sometimes I see girls laughing, they're like ha 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 ha, and like the skin tone does not match at all, and I'm like, girl, let me hook you up real quick. Or I'm like, girl, you need to watch my YouTube channel. Just kidding. Or am I? Also, ladies, don't forget to get the inner corner of your nose because that's another place where I see girls always forget, and that honestly bugs me. I don't know why. I'm not like, I honestly don't think I do like the best makeup ever, but I like to see my skin one tone and even to my neck. So see, I still have to drag this foundation a little bit down my neck as well. That way it looks symmetrical. That's what it looks one, and I don't look funny. This actual foundation doesn't even fit my color because I got darker, and when they matched me, this was like in the beginning of February and now it is July, and best believe this girl is in the pool every weekend or even during the week. I don't know if you noticed, I didn't touch any of my under eye. I'm just gonna go ahead and use concealer. This for me, well, this works best for me. I pretty much apply my foundation and I try to not get it underneath my under eyes because I feel like the more product you have under there, the more you're likely to crease. That's just how I feel. So now I'm gonna go in with my Holy Grail Age Rewind concealer, and this is where I conceal the red right here from the eyeshadow. This color is in light pale, but best believe your girl is not pale, but I just love concealing my skin lighter than what I should be, even though I shouldn't be doing that right now because I'm so dark, and this is probably gonna make me look funny, but it really doesn't because a girl knows how to blend, I guess. Using my damp beauty sponge, I am just going to press the product onto my skin. And then I need a mirror for this because I want to get as close as I can to my liner. Just like that. Just like that, honey. And then I'm going to apply the product in the crease of my nose, my lip, on the other side of my nose. Same thing on this side, just pressing the product onto my skin. Getting a closer look. Sorry if I keep looking over here, that's just where my monitor is at, and it's just a better view for me because it's much bigger than this little fucking thing I have right on my camera. I'm gonna go in with my translucent powder by Laura Mercier, grabbing my Morphe G35 brush, pressing the product onto anywhere where I feel like it's gonna crease. To ensure the product does not move, in the back of my beauty sponge, I'm just gonna press the powder onto my skin just to ensure it is locked, loaded, and ready to stay all night long, girlfriend. Going in with my BH Cosmetics, I think this is number 3 brush. It is like a blush brush pretty much. I'm going in with Americano by Ofra Cosmetics, and I am just gonna add some bronze onto my skin. I haven't really been contouring that much, like a deep contouring. I've just been bronzing the shit out of my skin, and I feel like it's working really good for me, so I'll just skip the contour, if that makes any sense. And I'm just hitting this in little circular motions. Get some more, tap off the excess, and applying this onto my forehead, long beautiful line. Applying it onto my chin, my jawline. Ooh, gotta blend that a little more. Scooby-doo, bop, bop. And boom, 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 boom. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my neck as well. Morphe E8 brush. Gonna grab a little bit and apply that onto my nose. Highlight using Ofra Cosmetics, and this is the BH Cosmetics 140 brush. Gonna grab Blissful. This highlight is the shit, I'll tell you not, I'll kid you not. Whoo! Fire! On this side as well. Dude, like that is like amazing. Okay, I'm gonna add some on my temples because that's just what I do. Might as well put in here. I don't know what I'm wearing yet. So hopefully I show these bad boys off. It was not waste of makeup, but oh well. Finishing the eye, I'm gonna go back with these 2 colors from the Sahara palette, and I'm just gonna buff that onto my lower lash line. That way we don't look so naked, because we were looking naked as shit down there. Using my M507 brush by Morphe, using Zoya, I'm gonna hit the arch of my brow and then the inner corners. Okay, so I just finished applying my lashes. I can't tell you guys the name yet because it's honestly a surprise. The lipstick that I'm wearing is Cherished by MAC Cosmetics, and this is pretty much the end of this makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I tried to make it as fast as possible. Wait, I need some setting spray. This is the Morphe Mist setting spray, Holy Grail. I'm actually running out, so I need to order another one. But anyways, if you guys absolutely love this tutorial, make sure you guys give it a like. If you aren't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you guys go do that right meow. And if we aren't friends on my other social media, which is Instagram and Snapchat, make sure you add me there and let's be friends. See you next time, guys.